Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to refactor the app a little so that you know right now if you see our client side code, our index.html is directly loading the router view. But I don't want to do that because I need a way to set up all the necessary user object and a few things before any page is refreshed. So what am I going to do is, first of all, instead of having index.html directly load the router view, I will have the index.html render the app.view, and the app in itself will do the necessary things. So to do that, first of all, we will obviously need to have a login page. So inside our source pages, I'll create a login page.view. Okay, and I'll copy the entire script section. I can simply cut and paste it here. Okay, now I need to see the config. Inside this, we'll need to go one step back and then I will get the config. So this will be like this. Same goes here. Okay, rest of the things are fine. Script is here. I'll need a script for this as well. Okay, and I'll copy the template as well. Okay, so I have the template. I'll make it login wrapper and I'll add some style. Basically, the login panel is kind of touching the top window, so a simple margin top 10 pixels, or rather 50 pixels, should be enough. Okay, so we have the login page. Now in template we will add this. Okay, we'll need a div obviously, and I'll add the router view, and in this I'll add the app. Fair enough. Now, which means we'll need to first view.component. I'll need to define that. I'll do this here. Okay, app. The home page will be loading the app, which is fine. Yeah. Now let me see. It will be coming to this index, which is app. So yeah, this will be login page. Okay, import login page from pages, login page. Okay, we'll add this here. Okay, this is done. So the router is changed. This is done. Let's see what's happening. No multispaces. App view line number 2. Okay, lint error. Fine. So we have the home page, which is rendering the login, and if I do the login, I'm coming to the dashboard. So the first part is over, which is I have refactored so that index.html only has app, which will mean I now will have an created event whenever the app starts. Okay, um, okay, I can't use double quotes. That's strange. This created is not getting called. This is the app login, and I'm able to log in. Is it? Yes, I'm able to log in. So let me close the app once and then restart it. Sometimes that can be the reason. Okay, okay, a new window will be popping up. Yes. So Yeah, typically I have seen that if we change something in the index.html, one or twice I had to restart the entire application. Anyways, not a big deal. So yeah, you can see that even if I now refresh on the dashboard page, this is coming, which means that this particular function I can use to set up anything in the app before other things start working. So yeah, that is where I will be handling the menu display logic. So I'll have a menu, the bootstrap menu, so as to say. So just go to components. Oops, sorry. So this is my nav bar. I'll just copy this entire part. Okay, I'll create a component. So source components top menu dot view. Okay, script, and I'll have a template, and this I'll paste it, and fine. So this is done. I can have a component here. So components, let me see the document. Should be view components, conditions, computed properties, components. How do I declare the components inside view? Yes, it's components, which is an object, and in that I can say top menu. I'll need to import that. So import top menu from, I'm inside app view, so this will be inside components top menu. I think it's correct. So yes, this is working, and then I can simply do top menu, and I have the menu in place. Okay, so now the thing is, I have the menu working, but it is inside uh, what you call the login page as well, and inside dashboard as well. Okay, it's going out because I think here I will have to add the class, which is container. Okay, fine. So this is my dashboard page, and this is my login page. Menu is getting displayed, so that is something which I'm going to handle in the next video. But you know to get that control, now I have app view to get the control over what should be visible and what should not. Okay, so yeah, in the next video I'm going to use the Vuex, or the store, to basically check whether the user is logged in and display the menu. And if I find that the user is no, it's a refresh of the page, then we will assign the data into the store if we have it in the local storage. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.